Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tecno Camon 17. 48 megapixel back triple camera with quad flash. 16 megapixels front camera with dual flash. 6 GB RAM with 128 GB room, a huge storage. 5000 mAh, a big battery capacity with 18 watt fast charging rate within 45 minutes. A latest operating system Android 11. Hellio G85 processor with 19 Hz HD display which gives smooth refreshing rate. A fingerprint sensor from backside mounted. 6.6 inches screen size with 190 gram weight. Available in 3 colors: fraud silver, deep sea and tranquil green. Rate in Pakistani market is 23,000 rupees. Here is other countries' price list. For latest mobile phones, please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.